So let's move on to the next question, guys. In this question, we are given that there is a right angle triangle, right? This is 90 degrees. There is a right angle triangle RPT, right? And the side QR is equals to the side SR, right? And the side ST is equals to the side UT, okay? And we are given this value as X, which is the angle QSU. This angle is X and we have to find this value, right? Okay, so now let's start assuming things. For example, let's assume that this angle is, suppose Y. This angle is Y, right? So tell me one thing, what will be this angle? So this angle will be what? Y plus 90, 180 minus Y plus 90, right? This will be what? This will be angle this, right? So this comes out to be 180 minus Y minus 90, which is 90 minus Y, right? So this angle comes out to be how much? 90 minus Y, right? Okay. Now tell me one thing, because this side ST is equals to UT, right? So this angle will be equal to this angle, right? Because these two sides are equal, so this angle will be equal to this angle. Let's suppose it's something, for example, A. I don't know. If this is A, this will also be A, right? So A plus what? 90 minus Y is equals to how much? 180. The sum of the angles of a triangle is 180, right? So 2A plus 90 minus Y is equals to 180. So 2A is how much? 90 plus Y, right? So what will be A? A comes out to be 45 plus Y upon 2, right? So this means that this angle and this angle is how much? 45 plus Y upon 2, right? I hope this should make sense. This angle is also 45 plus Y upon 2 and this angle is also 45 plus Y upon 2, right? Very basic stuff again. Okay, now let's see in this triangle, right? So what we are trying to do here is that we have to find the angle X, right? And we know that a straight line, the angle is 180. So we have to find this. We have taken out this. Now we will find this angle and then we will add this angle and this angle and sum it to 180, right? And that is how we will find the value of X. Okay. So now tell me again, because this side RQ is equals to RS, right? So let's assume this is something like B. If this angle is B, this angle will also be B, right? Because these two sides are equal. So Y plus B is equals to 180, right? So how much will B be? B will be 180 minus Y upon 2. So B comes out to be 90 minus Y upon 2, right? So this is B, which is this angle and this angle, right? So this angle is how much? This angle comes out to be 90 minus Y upon 2. I hope this should be very clear, right? Now tell me one thing again. This angle plus this angle plus this angle will be how much? 180, right? Because it's a straight line. So now let's do that. So 90 minus Y upon 2, this plus X plus this angle, which is how much? 45 plus Y upon 2. This is how much? 180, right? I hope this should be pretty clear, right? This is how much? 180. So if we solve this, minus Y upon 2 plus Y upon 2. 90 plus 45 is 135. So X plus 135 is equals to 180. So X will be how much? 45 degrees. So we had to find the value of X and the final value of X is 45 degrees. I hope very simple. All these questions are pretty simple, but there is no harm in practicing all these questions at least once. I hope this should be clear.